Now let's talk technology, shall we? Because the Continental GT isn't just about brute force and luxurious leather, it's also a rolling showcase of cutting-edge technology. Bentley has thrown everything but the kitchen sink at this car, and the result is a truly impressive display of automotive innovation. From the moment you approach the car, you're greeted by a symphony of technology. The keyless entry system senses your presence, unlocking the doors and welcoming you with a warm glow from the LED headlights. Once inside, you're surrounded by a suite of advanced features designed to make your life easier, safer, and infinitely more enjoyable. The head-up display projects vital information onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road ahead. Bentley has pulled out all the stops when it comes to technology. Right then, let's talk infotainment, shall we? Because no luxury car would be complete without a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and the Continental GT certainly doesn't disappoint. The centerpiece of the system is a massive touchscreen display that dominates the center console. It's incredibly intuitive to use, with crisp graphics and a logical menu structure. You can control everything from the climate control to the navigation system with a few taps of the screen. Speaking of navigation, the system in the Continental GT is top-notch. It uses real-time traffic information to find the quickest route to your destination, and the 3D maps are clear and easy to follow. And of course, no infotainment system would be complete without smartphone integration. The Continental GT supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect your phone and access all your favorite apps, music, and podcasts. But the real party piece is the sound system. Bentley offers a choice of 2 premium audio systems, both of which are absolutely phenomenal. The infotainment system in the Continental GT is a technological tour de force, with everything you could ever need to stay connected, entertained, and informed on the road.